Hi, I'm here in Iceland for 7 days. Let's explore, and the first thing I did is rent a car. Let's go. In the first half of this adventure, we explore South Iceland. As we travel along to Jokulsarlon, we make multiple stops to see some spectacular waterfalls, mesmerizing mountain ranges, and beautiful glaciers. Watch along. This is one of the biggest falls, and I just hope I don't get wet in this. Let's go for it. Plunging 60 meters off a cliff, it's one of the few waterfalls you can actually walk behind. Definitely, I'm drenched. Tucked away in a mossy canyon just beside Seljandsfoss is Iceland's hidden gem. You'll need to wade gently through a shallow stream to enter the secret cave, but inside, a towering waterfall cascades down like a private natural cathedral. Stranded close to these waterfalls lies the famous DC-3 C-47 plane wreck, a US Navy aircraft that crash-landed in 1969. Skogafoss is powered. With a drop of over 60 meters and a width of 25, this waterfalls will leave you soaked in spray and awe. Legend says there's treasure behind it. Climb the 370 steps beside it for a panoramic view and feel the raw pulse of nature. Jokulsarlon is where icebergs go to dream. This serene, icy lagoon is filled with chunks of glaciers breaking off and slowly floating out to the sea. Take a boat tour or simply watch the ice drift and sparkle like frozen sculptures of time. The contrast here is unreal, white and blue ice against pitch dark volcanic grains. Less crowded but equally captivating, Fjallsarlon is a quieter glacier lagoon south of Jokulsarlon. Towering ice walks creak in the distance as icebergs gently float by. It's wild, remote, and perfect for feeling small in the best possible way. This canyon looks like it's been carved by giants. Steep, mossy walls rising around a winding river stretching nearly 2 kilometers. You can walk along the rim trail for sweeping views or descend to the base for a more intimate look. Hiding in the cliffs of southern Iceland is the legendary Yoda Cave. Yes, that's the Yoda for Star Wars fans and curious travelers alike. This is not your average beach. Its black sand stretches beneath towering basalt columns, crashing waves, and legendary Reynisfjara sea stacks offshore. But beware, the waves here are powerful and unpredictable. It's haunting, fierce, and one of the most cinematic spots on the entire island. Dyrholaey is the southernmost tip of Iceland, where cliffs plunge into the Atlantic and puffins nest in the summer months. From May to August, you'll spot these adorable birds flapping and diving just meters away. It's a must for bird lovers and photographers alike. The second half of our journey covered the must-see Golden Circle, Reykjavik Peninsula with its famous Blue Lagoon, and finishing our journey at Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Imagine soaking in milky blue geothermal waters while volcanic landscapes steam in the background. That's the Blue Lagoon. Just minutes from airport, it's Iceland's most famous spa, known for its warm, mineral-rich waters and a dreamy ambience. A soak here is the perfect way to start or end your Icelandic adventures. Let's get. Surrounding the Blue Lagoon lies Svartsengi, a surreal lava field. These are fresh lava field rocks from 2024 lava eruptions. It's a living reminder of Iceland's volcanic heartbeat. Walk among the jagged black rocks, listen to Earth breathe, and feel like you've landed on another planet. Gunnuhver is Iceland's largest mud pool, a boiling geothermal fury. According to a legend, it's haunted by a ghost named Gunna, trapped here by a priest centuries ago. It's dramatic, a bit spooky, and pure Iceland. Here, you can literally walk between two worlds, the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. It's a powerful reminder that Iceland is constantly shifting, tearing, and being reborn. One foot in Europe, one in North America. How cool is that? Deep red slopes surrounding a turquoise lake at its heart. Unlike most craters, you can walk all the way down to the water's edge. Formed about 3,000 years ago, it's one of Iceland's youngest volcanic formations and a perfect stop on the Golden Circle route. Here we are at the Golden Falls, Gullfoss. It's the crown jewel of Golden Circle. Water thunders down in two powerful tears, plunging into a canyon that feels like Earth is cracking open. It's fierce, humbling, and a symbol of Iceland's raw natural beauty. Welcome to the birthplace of the word Geysir. While the original rarely erupts now, the nearby Strokkur blasts boiling water up to 30 meters into the sky every few minutes. It's one of the best places to witness geothermal energy in action. Nicknamed Iceland's bluest waterfall, its icy glacial flow cuts through black lava fields, forming a surreal electric blue stream. It's a short hike to get there, but the sight of that color is worth every muddy step. This is Iceland's most photographed mountain. Rising like a perfect cone near the sea, it's paired with a graceful waterfall in the foreground. Whether shrouded in mist or glowing in golden light, Kirkjufell looks like something out of a fantasy film. I'm sure if you're a Game of Thrones fan, you know this mountain. Svodufoss is one of Snæfellsnes quieter beauties, a tall, graceful waterfall set against dramatic basalt cliffs. Climb Saxholl and stand on the rim of an ancient volcano. A metal staircase leads you up to the rust-colored slopes to panoramic views of the lava fields stretching to the horizon. With crashing waves and haunting beauty, it's a beach unlike any other. Rusted shipwreck remains lie scattered among the stones and lava formations tower nearby. Test your strength on the old lifting stones used by fishermen long ago.
Look what it says here. It says this is a weakness.
Ding. It's heavy. Arnastapi is where land meets sea in a spectacular show. Dramatic cliffs, natural stone arches, and colonies of seabirds make this coastal walk unforgettable. It's wild, windswept, and full of character. Reykjavik is the world's northernmost capital, colorful, quirky, and full of soul. This city is the perfect blend of modern culture and old Icelandic charm. So there you go, 7 days to cover just the south and west of Iceland. I think I will have to come back in future for exploring north and the east. I hope this video could help you choose some of the attractions I explored. Until I see you in my next video, it's me Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off.